Kapag nakakita ka ng mga condo ads, usually maririnig mo to, flexible payment terms. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng flexible payment terms? Hi everyone, my name is Sarah from Mega World at the 4. First time mo bang bumili ng condo? You may follow this series and I will explain everything you need to know before buying a condo. Flexible payment terms simply means that developer allows you to spread your payments over time. So instead of paying a large amount upfront, yung down payment or equity, pwede na natin siyang i-spread into ilang taon para mas mababa na lang yung monthly payments natin. For example, yung mga pre-selling namin in Uptown Bonifacio or McKinley West area, may portion lang tayo ng equity na babayaran sa loob ng mga ilang taon habang ginagawa pa yung construction ng building. Kaya maganda talaga yung mga flexible payment terms kasi hindi mo agad kailangan maglabas ng malaking down payment upfront. And nasa magandang location ka pa. So, importante i-review mo lagi yung complete schedule of payment mo. So, yun lang. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you.